Good morning, YouTube friends and fans. Today, I'm going to install a canopy over this porch / sunshade. So stick around and watch the adventure. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. This is a simple tarp off Amazon. It's 8x10. 10x10 would have been a little bit better, but this will fold up a little tighter because it's less material. I got spring latched hooks. These little guys here in this box. It's going to attach to a wire cable, runs down all the way around. You've seen these before. They're basically like little carabiners. That'll be the 8. You can see how it's not quite the full length, but I don't need to go over the underhang. And you're not standing out here. But I can slide it this way because I'm going to go 10 feet, so we'll be to the end. All my cables pre-made up, and you know, it's going to be real fun. I probably should have installed that one first because it's going to twist. Want to twist again. So I had a slight boo-boo here, and this piece here I should have installed first. So we'll go to that end, take it off, because the way this cable system's set up, I have to twist one over the other. Well, I think a nice stiff screwdriver would help this process. All right, so we got that accomplished. That's as good as it's gonna get. I'm putting a line here. I was smart enough to recognize my mistake before I got all the way into this. Now that I'm thinking about this, funny part that you guys aren't going to see very easily, but I'll explain it to you. When I go to put this tarp on, if I had the tension in this line, I would not be able to get the tarp on. It is set to be very tight. The tolerance on this is less than 1/4 of an inch. So I would not be able to get that tarp on without leaving slack in the line, because I gotta get a shorter distance than what the finished product's supposed to be. And we're there. Now, the challenging part of the whole thing is coming. Oh, I got way too much line. Ruh-roh. Guess I should have measured better. So basically, I gotta leave enough wire to loop over, which means 6 inches. We'll go 7 to be safe. Now we'll measure 7 inches over from, actually I think I'm gonna go 6 because I do have that little buckle. And I've got this. Let's figure out what half of this is. 2 1/4. If I only go 4 inches, I think I'll be good. But let me do some paper and math and see what I come up with here. All right, after some long deliberations and math, I've decided I can cut it an inch past my center marking. Alright, should be able to smash some wire and finish it up. Hardest part of remembering how to do all this is just getting the steps together in the right order. This system all has to go together a very certain way. Now that those two are together, this guy can come around. Helps take the strain off the cable. If you can get the cable past it. There we go. Put the little smash nut ferrule piece on here and slide this in through. Slide that back in through the other half, which this is the hardest part, as the wire always wants to come undone and poke you in the fingers. All right. Now, probably could use another hand here. Any of you guys want to join in? That's together. Now remember, I said we got to do with no tension, putting the tarp up, the sunshade up. You guys didn't see it when we did all these, but if they were all done the same way, you notice how they clipped in real easy and then have to clip the other way. Just makes your fingers work better. Hey, it's up. Now we got to put some tension on it. Probably should have done this a little differently, but that's about what we're looking at. Got to do some tension pulling yet, but we'll get there. Well, friends, I guess I'll need a hook to pull this tight back here. And if you ain't figured out that this is only a slight success. Cable's nice and tight, but you can see I got a droop in the tarp. I wished it was tighter. So I can't leave it up when it rains. But anyhow, hey, thanks for watching. Hope your projects turn out well. Obviously a little better than this one. And catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright, so this is the final product. Got it all set to tension. Bought some bungee cords. And I have to move the bungee cord from 2 holes over, move it in, just like that, we have the shade. I could add another bungee cord, but this works. It's up out of your hair, does what it's supposed to do. I did leave it up the other night through a rainstorm. All the water was flowing that way, and it's rained since. You notice nothing come out while it was folded up. So, got a couple days of good weather, so we'll leave it out. Take care, friends. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.